Hello everybody and welcome. Today we are kind of not an emergency, but Greg called me. He's cut down a bunch of trees, needs to go to the dump. So I have the Model X here hooked to this 6x12 trailer. We're heading to South Carolina to take junk to the dump. Just leaving the house here with 44%. It's low. Normally I don't keep my cars at 80 or 90. I usually leave them wherever they are as long as they're north of 20%. Anyway, I threw it on the charger this morning, get a little bit of range. I'm pulling a 6x12 foot garden trailer and headed to Greg's. Our state of charge is 43 and the predicted arrival state of charge is 35. So it looks like whopping 8% to get down to Greer today. Shouldn't be a problem. I'm just into the town of Landrum, South Carolina, along Highway 14 here, which heads to South Carolina, where Greg lives, and where Greer, South Carolina is, obviously. And just thinking that this truck here in front of us is hauling a bunch of junk. And I've got a big F-250 diesel as well, and I certainly could have taken that down here, but it would have been 3.5, maybe 4 gallons of diesel fuel to accomplish that. I think that I'll be able to get there and get back for maybe $1, maybe in electricity, and that's not counting the free energy I get from the solar panels. So there's a big difference in efficiency between the two kinds of vehicles. Just heading down Landrum Highway, which is Highway 14 to Greer. 75 degrees, it's an awesome day. No clouds in the sky, so it's going to be a good day. I'm off Highway 14 now, making my way to Greg's house. He lives to the west off Highway 14. Just about lunchtime here. We're getting close to our destination here now. Looks like we've got some tree trimming going on up here. Anyway, what I wanted to show you was the vertical screen. Now, this is the 2020 Model X. It has a vertical screen, and it is a lot of junk on the road. It shows the backup camera. And what I wanted to show you was that Tesla, with all its cameras, has the ability to turn on the rear view camera while you drive. This allows you to look at your trailer or whatever's behind you in HD quality. It's pretty nice. Oh man, what did I get myself into? We've got all these trees cut down here now. That's okay, we'll get it all loaded up in the trailer and haul it to the dump. There you go, one whole tree worth of crap. As you can see.
Tell the difference when you pulled off?
No. We have a loaded trailer, and we are leaving Greg's place here at 34%, headed to the dump. Here we are at the transfer station. Greg's back there negotiating what they're going to do with our 6x12 foot pile of trees. If you've not ever been to a dump before, if you look here, the vehicle's back in and they dump the appropriate stuff into bins, and then they're hauled off. So we're waiting to figure out exactly where we're going to go with what. All right, we just got the word. We got too much stuff for here. Obviously, we'll fill up their containers with the amount we have here. So I want to get a look at the electronic waste thing here. See what they got in here. I'm gonna just pull up real quick and have a look in here. Oh yeah, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. You got monitors, computers, TVs, big flat screen TVs, a bigger flat screen TV. Is it a, no, I thought it might be a plasma. Look at that, a stereo receiver, more computers. Oh, wow. When I was younger, I'd kill for half this stuff, take it apart and make something out of it. All right, well, we're gonna hit the road here. I just dropped Greg off at his house, and believe it or not, hey look, the trailer's still full of crap. All right, here's the skinny. The transfer station wouldn't take the tree trimmings. They said, oh, you got to take it to the main dump site for Greenville County in Honeypath, 43 miles away. Well, I'm not going to drive 90 miles. I got stuff to do today. So we talked. I dropped Greg off at his house, and now I'm headed back up to Polk County, North Carolina. And I called the transfer station up there, and they said, yeah, no problem, just bring it up. So I've got a trailer full of tree trimmings from South Carolina. I'm hauling to North Carolina. Oh boy. I'm out here on Highway 14, and I'm going to do 45. It's 55, but I don't care. I don't really want to have to pick up this pile of crap in the trailer. I think 45 will be just fine. Let's do a quick energy check. 24% in the battery. This battery's 100 kilowatt hours. And 18 miles to go, and we arrive with 16%. It's going to be close to get all the way up to the transfer station and then back home, but it's okay. Welcome to North Carolina. Just crossing over the Interstate 26. Got a ways to go. I switched over to miles here. We are showing 62 miles of range. Navigation says 10 miles. Shouldn't be a problem. Be able to go up and back. I've taken a shortcut here. Says we arrive with 17%. I think we're good. I am getting close to the landfill here. I'm on Highway 108. 3.8 miles to go. We're off on Landfill Road. Guy's throwing away a mini split. It's all over the road, but whatever.
In 500 feet, your destination will be on the right.
Yes, it will. Yep, this is the transfer station. It's like every other transfer station. I'm gonna have to figure out where they want this stuff, so let me park this here for a minute. If you're a pack rat, you'd really like this place. Glass tube TV graveyard. There's even more of them over here. These are more modern. Oh, look at that, a plasma. Boy, those were expensive in their time. Copy machine, bunch of flat screens, computer. Wow. Consumer electronics. Hey, look at that. That looks like a Dell server. Yeah, I got one of those at home. How cool is that? All right, well, we got to go back out and up the street, and there's a place for all that stuff. Yeah, I don't have my seatbelt on. Sorry. Guy said go back out and then up the hill where I'm going here now. I guess anywhere in here. Looks like it is. All right. Wow, look at all the wood. Well, let's see if I can find a spot where I can back this in here now without getting a flat. Here we are, where this tree's going to end up. I got some good big wood here. Wow. Anyway, gonna go ahead and dump this here and should be good. there you go. That's the whole trailer. Yeah, I did it myself. It's all right. Took probably 40 minutes. I think we're good. All right, let's get this on the road and get home. All right, 43 miles to go. I think it's maybe better part of 15 or something. And we're good to go. Let's see if we can back this out of this mess here. Okay, mission accomplished. Bye-bye transfer station. Okay, 42 miles of range and probably 16, 15 or so to home. Should be good. We're back on Highway 9 at trailer cleaning speed. We're getting close to home now. Got 32 miles of range, probably 5 or 6 miles to go. I think we're good. One of the things you learn here in a Tesla, whatever it says, it generally is that range. It's not a GOM or a guessometer that you'll find on other types of EVs. This one goes through quite a bit of calculations, as you might expect, since the designers are highly educated engineers that have a lot of experience in all this. Man, what a day. Went to help Greg. We were supposed to haul his junk to the dump. Dump wouldn't take it. So I dropped him back off at his house and drove all the way up to North Carolina where I live and went to the landfill and just dragged all that stuff out of there. It took me about a half hour, but it was all done. Dumped it off. Arrived home with 27 miles. I'll check the percentage here in a minute. All in all, it was a good day. Remember, you can always trust in the Tesla navigation and predicted miles. It's generally excellent. If you like today's video, go ahead and give me a like. And if you would, please subscribe. You know, I'd certainly appreciate it. And one thing before I go, I got to show you something. Yeah, I had a good day. I didn't expect to do all the tree work, but Greg needed it and I was happy to help. I wore my favorite Cybertruck shirt, and look what happened. I can't believe it. Look it. That looks weird, sorry. Look, I got a hole in my Cybertruck shirt. Oh well, I pretty near wore it out anyway. Thanks for watching. I'll look for you in the next videos, and take care.